Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Bybit Web3 Wallet. You can go about this by opening up your Bybit centralized exchange. Once you've opened up your centralized exchange, head to the Web3 Wallet section at the top right corner of your screen. It's at the top just besides exchange here. Once on the Bybit Web3 Wallet, how can you buy crypto? Your first step would be to actually having something to swap with, as the Bybit Web3 wallet makes use of the swap feature to buy tokens. So you must have a particular token in order to gain another token. And there's also a bridge feature, so you could bridge tokens from one network to another. All you need to do now is click on the receive, and you could simply deposit some Solana. Let's say you hold Solana outside of your wallet. All you need to do now is either scan the QR code for your Solana token or simply copy the Solana wallet address. Once you've copied your wallet address, you can now deposit some Solana tokens onto this platform, like USDT on the Solana network or Solana itself. Alright guys, so once you've gotten a token that you can swap with, all you need to do now is simply heading to the market section to simply make use of what is trending, like the Yappa token, startup, Gork, house, or you could search the token by its name and then paste its contract address as well in the search bar, and you bring up the token. So let's go ahead and select the token that's trending. Here we go, the house token. All you need to do now is click on the buy. You're taken to the swap section. Okay, you're taken to the swap where you have to enter an amount of Solana you'd like to convert into the house token, and the amount of tokens you're getting is shown. And all you need to do now is simply click on swap, pay your gas fees, and it's done. So guys, that's how you can buy tokens on the Bybit Web3 wallet. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.